We all want to earn more success, more abundance, more joy, more wealth. It's really good to have all these desires. It's your right to be rich. You can really enjoy infinite riches. In this video, you will learn to make friends with money. Your desire to be rich is a desire for a fuller, happier, more wonderful life. It's a cosmic urge, it's good and it's very good. Money is only a symbol which is used as a medium of exchange. In early times, man's wealth was determined by the number of sheep or oxen he had. It's much more convenient to write a check than to carry some sheep around with you to pay your bills. Anyone may give $50 to kill someone. They have misused the money to use it for destructive purpose. The same $50 could feed the hunger. The choice is yours. If all your time is devoted for materialistic gain, power, possession, you will find yourself hungry for peace of mind, harmony, love, joy, or perfect health. Get some knowledge of spiritual power. Abide in money consciousness. You will always have wealth in abundance. No matter if there is a war, strike, or epidemic, you will have money in abundance. How to get the spiritual power and money consciousness? Get into sleepy and drowsy meditative state of mind and repeat slowly 4 or 5 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day. Money is forever circulating freely in my life and there is always a divine surplus. Begin to feel the truth of what you affirm and soon it will be your reality. Do not resent anyone who has more money than you. Instead, be thankful for God's blessing has manifested in other fellows' life. Kill all the negativity like fear, jealous, envy. If you ever have any financial problems, leave it to God. Sleep peacefully. Do not worry. Believe like the sun rise every day. Similarly, your solution to the problem will come. Let this be your daily prayer. God is the source of my supply. That supply is my supply now. His riches flows to me freely, copiously and abundantly. I am forever conscious of my true worth. I give off my talents freely and I am wonderfully, divinely compensated. Thank you, Father. Even if the doctor degree is stolen, he can still make money by treating his patients and make money. You will also be compensated according to the service you will provide to the mankind. Change water into wine. Water in the Bible usually refers to the mind or consciousness, and wine in Bible usually means realization of your desires. That is, your subconscious beliefs will manifest in your reality. No matter what your past life was, your present thoughts will define your future. A broke young girl who lost once everything used the same secret and advanced in life with the help of the author. She started visualizing herself as being rich, getting married, traveling around the world, and nothing happened for 3 weeks. She persisted and soon she was married to a rich man who wrote her a check and promised to travel around the world. Her good fortune came to her because the secret she used of changing water into wine. No matter what your current circumstances, you can change your circumstance by changing your thoughts and actions. Man is belief expressed. Like the beauty operator, you can decide your aim in life and in your mind and believe it as manifested in your reality. Protect your ambitions from all negative beliefs like fear, worry, anxiety, self-condemnation, criticism. you will sure have your beliefs manifested as reality. Thank you for watching.